Let us all bow down our heads. Don't block what you feel. What you are feeling, don't block it. You must allow it. Allow this thing that wants to speak in you. If there's something that you feel, don't block it. If there's something that is coming upon you, don't block it.
Keyboard.
Lower your keyboard a bit.
Don't
block this thing, don't block this thing. Don't block what you feel. Let it free. Let it free. If you want to praise, praise. No one must come forward, please. I don't want anyone forward.
Yeah.
People don't understand spiritual things. If you haven't agreed with your heart, spiritual things, when they happen, they confuse people that what is happening. Thank you for the prayers. The flesh is tired, but the spirit agrees. We didn't sleep. We arrived in early hours of the morning. I was in Durban. It was full. I never took a service there. The thing that amazed me, it's not used to stay sitting on that chair without knowledge. When you are here in this journey, you must be on the station to wait for your spirit. All of us here dressed well, looking beautiful, driving cars. In the end, the day will end. The life will also end. Life will end as your spirit separates from your flesh. A person and a person must wait in this place with the truth. And also wait at their station at home where they are born. There are people that are waiting here but at home, but at the station they're not waiting there. They are full of fights. Another doesn't get along with a mother. Another doesn't get along with the father. Another doesn't get along with the sister. Another does not get along with the brother. You are not waiting in the station. Your fights with your parents, even if you are no more in this world, it will punish you and your children and your great-grandchildren. Others are here, their life is stuck. It's stuck because of their forefathers, their mothers, their fathers, and their grandmothers, until life ended without confession. They went with secrets that are very difficult. I saw other people when I asked them in Durban, Father, I'm here but I don't know you. I've never come to you but I've seen you on TV. When I was sleeping at night, a grandfather came who sent me here. Another lady said so when she was testifying there. Others have seen on social media. It's not me that is speaking. I'm not praising myself. What I know, people, my father's words, where I was blessed. You like me or you don't, but I, seeing me here today, I was blessed there. The words that he said when I knelt in front of him, I want you to hear me properly. You Africans, you're confused being in this journey. Kneel down. Look at me. There was a priest Kanye who was a big priest. Others know him. Others, they were also there. Others are still alive. When I got to the 2K, the Lord of the Nazareth was sitting down. Let me tell you,
uma ebusiswe uNkulunkulu nedlozi lakhe
When a person is-
nomona ngekuyithatha into
When a person is blessed by God and their ancestors, you mustn't be jealous.
yikho abantu begcina sebethakatha
That's why people end up
ngoba
watching.
bazonda abanye abantu emndenini umuntu
Because they hate
ayithakatha
other people.
inhliziyo isibabuhlungu
The heart is now sore.
awubonge ngani umuntu
Why
wakhe
can't you be grateful for your family member?
ithi inkosi yamaNazaretha yasukuma
The
phansi
Lord of
ihleli
Nazareth says,
phansi
sitting down,
ilikelisa
he was giving offerings.
ukuguqa kwami yaphakama yathi
He rose up when I came.
yathi wena ubizwe ubaba wami inyanga yezulu
You were called by my father, Yezu.
eqala ukungibona
See me for the first time.
wafika ngibeka isandla kanje
He put a hand like this on me.
amangala amaNazaretha
The Nazareth was surprised.
ngoba ubaba uma ekubusisa nethola
Because when the father and the ancestors
abanye
blessed,
bayazonda emndenini
others hated in the family.
awubusiswa emndenini wakho
When you are blessed in your family,
awuthandwa abantu
you are not going to be loved by
ungamangali
people.
babekuzonda
Don't be surprised when they're hating you in the family.
wabeka isandla
He put a hand.
wathi wena ungumshumayeli
He said, you are going to be a preacher.
abantu abayofika kuwena
People that will come to you,
bayofika babike inkinga
they will put a problem.
uyothi inkosi ibusise
They will say, God bless you.
bayothola yonke into
They
abayifunayo
will get everything that they want.
ngitshela
Listen, let me tell you.
izwi
The
likababa
Father's word
aliwali phansi
does not fall down.
amile ngemfundo la
I'm not standing here by
amile
education.
ngamajazi la
Not waiting here by
amile ngo-BA la
I'm not standing by BA degrees.
kodwa ngime ngezwi
I'm standing with the word
elabusisa
that blessed me.
ngilento engiyiyona
I
namhlanje
am what I am today.
ngezwi likababa
What my Father's word.
ngeke ulithathe
You will never take
ngeke
it.
ucishe
You will never switch it off.
okukhulunywa uNkulunkulu
What is spoken by
noma
God.
idlozi lakho
Or your
kukhona
ancestors.
embathulukayo
There are
manje
people that are
ngoba
mighty
abakholelwa edlozini
because they don't believe in an ancestor.
okushiwo uJehova wakho
God
wakho
is sent by your God.
idlozi lakho
And
balibusisa
your ancestors.
akekho yokushintsha
No,
ngekhonsha
I
emndenini
am never changing in the family.
nakuba ukuthoba
Here's Father told.
ubekhona izolo
He was there yesterday.
uma sifika ngasegaraje
When we got to the garage,
uma ngehla
when I got out,
ugijima indoda iyaguqa phambi
and then came
kwami
right
ikhipha imali ephaketheni bebekhona abanye la
in the pocket.
ithi baba
He says,
ithi
Father,
baba
Father,
nawu 100 rand
here's
ngizobona
100 rand, I'm
ithi
faithful.
ngisebenza la ngenxa yakho
I'm working here
ithi
because
baba
of you.
namhlanje nginemoto nathi ithi baba namhlanje ngiqaniwe ngenxa yakho ithi baba ngiyahamba
I'm going.
uthi ngisagone ngiyeza baba
Coming,
bakuneyinkonzo ngiyeza
If there's a
uthi
service,
baba
Father,
ngiyabonga
thank you.
ngiyabonga
Thank you.
obani abathi sibonile ey'nkundleni
Who are
zokuxhumana
those that saw us
Apha
social? Raise up your hands.
ithi le ndoda namhlanje
This man said, today,
nginonkosikazi
I
ngenxa
am
yakho
alive because of
ithi
you.
namhlanje nginemoto
Today I
baba
have become
ithi baba
alive.
ngisegoli
In
ngafika
counting, I arrived.
uthi baba
Father,
ngoba kumele uyazi into oyisele
because you need to know what you came here for.
mangabula
If you're here,
iza ngenhliziyo yomsamo
come to the altar with your heart.
bangabe uya emsamo wakini uyoshisa
If you
impepho
go to the family altar, and
kumele
pray,
ngihlambuluke enhliziyweni
you need to confess in your
kumele
heart.
ngivule inhliziyo ekhaya
You must open your heart
ukuze
for
ngithole impumelelo
you to get
abantu
success.
abaningi abafuna ukuhlambuluka
Many people don't want to confess.
bafuna ukuhlambuluka abantu
People don't want to confess.
abafuna abantu ukuhlambuluka
People don't want to confess.
lezi zinto abangafuni
The
ukuyihlambuluka
things they don't want to confess,
zoshaya ngisho inzalo yakho
they will punish your children.
zoshaya ngisho abantwana
They
bakho
will punish your children.
zoshaya ngisho izizukulwane zakho
They will punish your great children.
kunabantu abaningi
There are
namhlanje
many people today
abahluphekayo
that are suffering.
bengazi ukuthi ivelaphi
They don't
lehlupheka
know where the suffering is.
bagijima bayafuna usizo
They go
bangatholi
looking for help.
bayidla imithi ingasebenzi
They use money for their
amaproblem
problem.
ziyimfihlo
The
zasekhaya
problem are the sickness at home.
ziyinhlekiso
The
zasemndenini
cases of the family. I was not working. I got a job. I came. Coming with a dream. As she explained inside. Father, you came and you blessed me. Listen. The Father that blessed me. That will never change. Because you are also blessed that your mother's home. If you don't get it from your family or your mother, but at the end, curses are falling. We will tell you. Confess. When you want success. When you want success. The word that says, but don't tell me. Even though your father is. You started eating food in your mother's womb. You started drinking water in your mother's womb. Before you came to this world, how can you not get along with your own father? You stay in a seed. Your ancestors believe. You don't get along with your father. The word is steady. Respect your mother and father. So your days of life are the father's roots in the Bible says so, not me. As you're not getting with your mother or your father, when you leave this world, it will stay upon your children. Your mother even left. Why don't we succeed or not getting jobs? There is a confession. Your father left without getting along with his father. My father says, this thing of home, you like it or you don't, you will receive it. Because I also found it at home. It means there's a secret that is known by this father. There's something that is living in this surname that is not good. There are people that are punished by their forefathers. They used to fetch things that make the home strong and makes the richness. It is an animal. The father said to you, you like it or you don't. You are going to work on this. Because I also found it. He doesn't say what it is. The father knows. There's something that is there. He doesn't want to tell. The direction. Service before we enter the service. The one who doesn't get along with the mother and the father. The word that you hear is not mine. It's my father's. I don't study when I come here. are cleansing your outside. You are cleansing your outside. But your inside. Get along with their sister. To fix themselves. We are here to be cleansed. As you don't want to confess, you're going to come back and become a ghost unto your children. Because never. Don't forget that your end of life is coming. Maybe you're looking at Jesus. It's coming to you. Many people are big worshippers. It's about clothes. People say 3 days. Another 7 times. Even now, it's coming to you. Came to your father. Came to your mother. Your father's watching you. That you are going to be a light of your father's home. You don't want to be a light. You don't want to confess. You don't want to humble yourself. You make your mother a dog. You make your father a dog. Because gave you food in the womb. And she took care of you in the womb. And give you water in the womb. People don't like the truth. I speak the truth as it is.